Good morning, YouTube. Bless up, and how are you? Yeah, this morning I want to talk about my brother Virgin have a ram sheep, two ram sheep, I sell. You understand? He want a 50 for one and 35 for the youngest one. So I just want to make you know, say, you can check it out, you can give me a link, and if you want to talk to him direct, I can give you a number. But he have two ram sheep I sell, because he must sell a father for him nation, and then he must sell a next one. Not like mine, my one me not cut tail long, but premium sheep them tail cut off still. Understand them dock them tail. So but me not have a purpose to dock it tail, so me not really dock it tail. Cause me ask why dock tail and them say why you cut the tail? Them say because of shit up bottom and then really. Well we not have no shit up bottom, so me not really do that. So this morning a mine wanna give thanks. Yes, we're the 8th day of December, closer and closer to my earth strong. And I give thanks still. And I link up everyone. Yeah, I think me have to do something concern my fence. Look for my fence. Come and jump through it. So I need to do something concern my fencing, yeah. And thing. You know, I come check. A bull come check me girl and just jump to my fence. I'm gonna stop them animal off and go through it because through that they can straighten up. So it's a sheep and me I talk about, and this is not for TMB definitely. It's an advertisement for a virgin, who my link. Yeah man, Jamal big up. So where I say if you want any sheep to buy and them something there, you can link me up. But that's a meal right now. There's some meal. And also you have a ram I sell one. We call them ram there when I'm not with them altar. Not quite weather. Yeah. See my weather ram I sell too. And maybe a next one. So you can talk to him, you can get a link soon as possible.